It's here, the Sowoozoo mini photo cards. Let's open this up. Ta-da! Wow, I've never gotten a pack of photo cards like this before. And because they're photo cards, let's break out the sheet. Ooh, the box is holographic, I think. And there is a sticker on the back. Okay, so the special pack is a holographic case, and they're not individually like wrapped, but they are sealed. So I guess we'll just get right into it. Eek! Oh, I already ripped the case a little. I don't know what the best way is to open these. Oh, here's the special pack. They're holding Sowoozoo tickets, and the back looks like this. Oh, the back is holographic. That's beautiful. This is so nice. RM. Jin. Yoongi. These are so cute, so nice. So cute. So these are the special cards. I'm hoping for at least, is it too much to hope for at least five unique, six unique sets? Is it too much to ask for OT7 in one go? We'll see. Why is JK in the front? Oh my gosh! I wasn't expecting that. This is JK's special card. Oh, it has a message. And there's like the special hollow lining on the back. Beautiful. So I guess this is JK's 1 of 8. RM 6 of 8. Jin 7 of 8. Suga 8 of 8. Hobi 2 of 8. So some of these are horizontal and some of these are vertical. Jimini 4 of 8. Gorgeous. Taeyoungi 2 of 8. And the unit 2 of 8. Pack 2. Okay, so the special card is in front. We've got Tae's card, so at least this is a different set. And we'll put them in order. So Tae's 1 of 8 with his special message. RM's 8 of 8. Jin 3 of 8. Oh, I love these. I love that the backgrounds are different too. Yoongi 3 of 8. Hobi duplicate 7 of 8. Oh, JK cute 8 of 8. Unit is also a dupe. Jiminy special card. Jiminy. Oh, Jiminy's message is quite long. This is different. It looks similar, but it's different. RM's 2 of 8. Jin 8 of 8. Yoongi 4 of 8. Hobi. Sorry, you know who they are. I'll stop screaming their names. That was 6 of 8. Ooh, Tae 4 of 8. Cute. 7 of 8. Different unit. 5 of 8. Okay, 3 packs down and only 2 dupes so far. Hobies! I love that so far at least the special cards have all been different. Hobi. Special card. RM 5 of 8. Yay, this is different. Jin's 5 of 8. Cute. This is a dupe, I think. Yoongi's 3 of 8. Oh, Jimin이. Jimin이's 5 of 8. This is a dupe. Taeyoung 4 of 8. Another dupe. Different unit though. 8 of 8. Yoongi's special card. Yoongi's message card. Looks like this. Duplicate. Eek, duplicate. Hobi looks different. Yay. 4 of 8. Jimin이 is holding flowers. I'm weak for flowers in their photo cards. Tae is different. Tae's 7 of 8. JK is holding flowers, or he's just standing in front of a plant. 3 of 8. And I think this is a duplicate. 2 of 8. So far, the special cards are all different though. Jin's special card. RM 2 of 8. I feel like I've seen this one before. Yep. Also looks familiar. This is a different version holding flowers. Jimin이's 4 of 8. No. Oh, it's the same as the first one. Never mind. Dupe. Dupe. JK looks new. 5 of 8. RM and unit with Tae, 3 of 8. That's new. Okay, I've at least overlapped the duplicates, so there's a little more space. So this pack has RM, and so far I've been tracking how the order is, and they've gone in reverse order. JK, Tae, Jimin, Hobi, Yoongi, Jin, RM. So I have all their special cards in this pack. RM's message. Jin is new. 7 of 8. No, he's not new. Joking. Yoongi, 8 of 8. Hobi is new. 5 of 8. You look familiar, Jimin. 2 of 8. You also look familiar, Tae. You're new, JK. JK's 6 of 8. And this unit, 7 of 8. 3 packs. Got Hobi special card. Eight of 8. Jin's 2 of 8. This is new. Yes, I've seen this one many times. 3 of 8. 4 of 8. This looks new. Tae, 6 of 8. JK, 3 of 8. And this unit, 5 of 8. After Hobi comes Tae, Tae's special card. Oh, you look different. Namjoon 4. Yay, I needed you. I feel like I've seen you before. Jin's 4. Oh no, I need you too. Yoongi's 8 of 8. Hobi 2 of 8. I feel like I've seen this card quite often. Jimin이 2 of 8. Oh, JK's 5 of 8. And this unit again, 5 of 8. Oh no, that ripped. Jimin이 special card. RM's 3 of 8. Jin's 2 of 8. Wait. This looks new. Yoongi's 6 of 8. Hobi 8 of 8. Tae's signature move. 5 of 8. Another one of JK's hearts, 5 of 8. This unit looks new, maybe? No, it's not. 8 of 8. Here's the final tally. I guess it is quite random, but I'm missing a lot of 7s for a lot of the members. So for RM, I'm missing only 7. For Jin, I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 7. Yoongi, I'm missing 2, 5, 7. For Hobi, I'm missing 3 and 7. Jimin이 3, 6, 8. Taeyoung 3 and 8. And JK 2 and 4. For the units, I need 1. This is 2, 3, need 4. This is 5. Need 6. This is 7. And 8. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe and well. Bye!